Pause the TV for a second. I want this to record her snoring.
I gotta go to my other app.
That's fine. Oh, we woke her up. She's still fucking snoring. She's snoring with her eyes open. She's so pissed off. Look at her. No, don't do all that. Ah. Go back to sleep. Look at her big old honker. She's pissed off. She's like, you guys suck.
Get it off, yeah.